It's like 5 in the morning. The sun is barely out. We're gonna unload this thing, drop off the trailer. Jordan's sleeping. Rob's gonna film.
It's definitely not 5 in the morning.
Sleeping. It's not 5 in the morning.
Wait, you're gonna need help pushing this back.
Oh yeah. Cams or who's fire? Oh yeah, that's real nice.
You're not ready for this one.
They're not ready for the Cam's Corolla. It smells just as good as it sounds. Yeehaw! Let's go, baby! What the?
Ah.
Hey.
Actually, a lot of people guessed that I got a Hachi. I was surprised.
It's all by the size and stuff.
Yeah.
Dang, that Nipsey blue interior. The marathon continues. Who wants to chomp? I'm talking about LS chomp. You don't want it with this chomp. Shoot.
What up? Good morning.
Hi, Bonnie.
Back at it again. It's so freaking hot in Socal.
Yes, it's beautiful.
I like that
I
song.
love this weather.
I like that song too.
I love 115-degree weather.
So
Where
good.
are we going? To the big dome house.
Oh, it's this car.
Remember this car? The one that Johnny gave Rob? Well, it works. It works well.
It made it all the way down to SoCal. So 220,000 miles.
Cool.
Oh, spider.
Is there? Because I thought I got bit earlier. My leg was itching.
We gotta go pick up Rob's motor. Your freaking SR
And the skyline.
and the Skyline.
Okay. Oh
All
yeah.
of our cars are registered. Dude, we get the freaking street sweep now together, bro.
I was looking at pictures of it with like oh, there it is. There's my skyline. Dude, you guys painted it green for me?
Yeah.
Oh, sick. You guys are the best.
There's America.
America. So just
It is hot, dude. Alright.
See you guys later.
Alright, man. I'll see you. Make America great again, Father.
so this handle's broken on the outside. And then when I opened the other one, I noticed there's like a child lock. I was like, bro, I bet you the child lock's on. And then he got like this long thingy.
Shoved it in there?
Name of your sex tape.
She said.
And then like, yeah, poked the thing here, majigger. The door popped open, and then sure enough, like the child lock was on, so you turned it off. And now you can
Oh my
open.
God.
It opens from the inside. I gotta fix the outside still, but
Well, thank God we can put your side skirts
I
on.
know. I'm pretty hyped on that. Freaking had to take all my pictures from one side.
Well, your AC doesn't work, so maybe we could break your windshield
Oh yeah.
for more airflow and then break your rear windshield too.
Oh yeah. I like that idea, dude. You're smart.
Yeah, I'm pretty good at what I do. Alright, you can load this up. I'll see you later, alright, Rob?
Yes.
Whoa, yeah. Pretty sick. Welcome back to SR20 surfing. And tree came out of nowhere.
John Cena.
So we just gotta drive an hour like this pretty much, just holding on to the SR20. I think I could do it. Yeah, let it fall.
Made it.
Don't judge us, we have no clue what we're doing.
It's better than me just holding it the whole time.
I don't know, I thought we were doing pretty good, man.
Dude, I had my freaking bit of adventure stuff. I was thinking about going this way next. Hanging on my freaking foot. It moved a little bit.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
We gotta strap this here. We found the chupacabras, guys. I swear I did not do this, but if you can see here, 1, 2. You see that?
I think
it's like
Bigfoot.
finger, finger, finger.
I ruined the
finger,
evidence.
Finger, hand. Look how big the hand is, bro. It's a freaking alien.
Ooh.
Like from right here, Jordan, you can kind of see it. Trying to get Ron's car out of here. Go for it.
All right, so to jump a car, you put 2 on the battery. You want to put the ground on your tongue, and the last one on your wiener.
Drive that low? We didn't really dial this in. We don't know if it works or not. We're gonna find out today.
30-minute drive, no freeway, so yeah. Let's go, baby.
All 3 of your cars, man.
Oh yeah.
I didn't lock it.
The brakes are kind of sketch, huh?
Yeah.
All right. You're doing great, Bob. You're doing great. Pretty sure that's how you do it.
You guys get up early and push engines around with it.
It's a pretty good workout.
Remember, it's all in your back, right, Coda?
All in your back.
Leave it on straight. And you just push with your legs. Push up.
Yeah. We're at Speed Socal. Say what's up to Gary. Pretty sure everyone knows Gary by now.
Hey, how's it going?
What you doing, Gary?
Another fun one. VG30.
Okay. That's kind of random, huh?
Yeah, all upgrade. Turbos, belts, maintenance, computer, injectors, everything.
Dang. And I don't know if you guys know, this is Tanner Faust's old FD car, right?
Yeah, the original car.
Way back. What year was that, Gary?
05 or 06. And for Tokyo Drift, the movie, all the S15 is actually this car's motor.
Really?
The noise.
No way. We'll take this out one day, huh, Gary?
Yeah, let you guys take it out, have fun in it.
Yeah.
Here.
It just sits, huh?
Yeah.
I would love to rip this thing. It probably has like 400, 500 horsepower or something.
650.
650. Dang, dude, that's insane. Thank you, Gary.
No problem. Thank you.
See
Anytime.
you soon.
See you guys later.
So I just need a couple parts.
Just take the motor. I just need the motor.
I'll just drop off myself. I'll take this one.
All right, Gary. Thanks again, buddy.
This is how you wash cars.
So I don't know if you guys remember, but this is the Chalupa Cabra car. And as you can see, we got some scratches. So we're gonna do a little bit of McGuire's. Try and see if we can take some of this stuff off. What'd you think? You think we can get it off?
I think so. Looks like it.
It looks pretty bad. Alright, you're gonna film me doing this then.
Let's do it.
We going to do it. Can you see the scratches, guys? If this doesn't work, we're not using this footage. Look who's out! Jordan's done with his mobile lessons. Mobile legends session.
Film.
Jordan, look how bad this is.
What's up, man?
We already got some shots of how bad it is. You can kind of zoom in right there. Let's see. We're gonna do a little bit before and after.
Chalupa Chapa's getting us anymore. Well, I mean, they did,
Can you
but
grab that Import Works quick detailer?
yeah,
It's in the bucket.
I'm on it. Scratch your stopper.
Dude, it kind of worked. I mean, you can see them still a little bit,
Very, very well.
but I mean,
Not perfect, but
I want to look at that footage, how bad it was. Pretty freaking good, dude. On a scale of 1 to 10, how good did that work?